Hey, good morning. Joe Van Orsdol with Right Home Inspections again. Doing an inspection here in Minneapolis, looking at a dryer vent. These flexible ribbed dryer vents are really cheap and not recommended. Because this is a metal foil, it's got ribs to it. Dryer lint tends to really stick inside these and clog up faster. Also, this foil is very thin, and if you happen to have a gas dryer, gas creates carbon monoxide, and as these thin and start to crack, they will leak carbon monoxide back into the house. So it's kind of a homeowner do-it-yourself thing, and especially in this case because as we look down, they bought, the tube that comes in a 12-foot length or whatever, and didn't even realize that they could have shortened the tube to make it their dryer run more efficiently. So you've got a couple elbows down here, which are probably collecting a lot of lint, and you've got a long tube. So their dryer probably takes quite a while to dry. So it's a safety thing. Replace these with a smooth wall metal duct, very similar to what we're using over here on the water heater. That type of a smooth tube duct, smooth wall duct, is what should always be used with a dryer. So just another reason for a thermal home inspection with Right Home Inspections. That's all for now.